think it's just plastic. It's a new rooftop unit at the UPS store. That's the old. There's the new. That's where it's going to go once we're done installing it. So that'll drop her. So what they're going to do is take the boom, extend it. Oh, there you go. See it extending, and then try to bring it up, and then drop it right down onto the platform for us, so that we don't have to do much moving with the unit itself. They're pretty heavy. Well, they tried. They don't have enough length on their boom to get it over, but that's okay. We got a bunch of people to help load it up. All right, so now we'll hook on to the old, lift that up, take it down to the truck, scrap that out, and we'll be good to go. But all right, guys, that's our fun for the day. We probably got about another 5 hours before we get it all set up and fully running for the new UPS store. But yeah, you guys have a phenomenal day. Thanks for watching.